At first glance, you might be wondering why I haven't tossed out these old boots. But they're like an old friend, and I've had them for so long, I thought I'd try to save them so that they don't end up in the trash heap. Now, I'm going to condition them with some leather conditioning oil, but if you just put it on and rub it in, it won't soak in as well as it should. And if you get it to soak in, the boots will last longer, they'll be waterproof, the leather will stay nice and supple. So here's the simple solution. Start, before you apply the oil, by warming it up. Warm up the leather with a blow dryer. All right, once it's nice and warm, you can put on the oil. And you notice how, with the leather being warm, how it just liquefies that oil, which sometimes that conditioning oil, or if you use mink oil particularly, can be really thick and it doesn't get a chance to soak all the way in. But with this, when you put it on the warm leather, it really just soaks right in. And obviously you have to do the whole shoe, but you have to warm it up one section at a time. You can see after just a few seconds how much of that oil gets absorbed into the leather. Look at that, it looks like almost brand new. Looks like when I first bought them, what, 25 years ago. And there you go. And if you do that with every section, the entire boot will be as good as new.